So let me talk you into doing long instead of medium for these Barbie nails because, I mean, duh, right? Okay. So the colors we're using are quite a few, actually. I'm actually not using this one, I lied. This one from Sugar and Cream, so freaking pretty. It is called Borracha. Using this from Valentino, and I don't know if that's number 6 or 900. You guys go on there and be the judge. The Raya polish, and it is 003, right? And then I'm also using Raya's Soak Off Gel. All of them are Soak Off Gel, white. Star of the show I'm using from Young Nails is this gorgeous pink glitter that I cannot wait to use. Like, let me just set this here and let the light just... She went online and checked. That is number 6. She Googled it. I love my clients. They're so amazing. It's like a real creamy, milky pink. Oh, and I am using for my matte, because I may do matte and I may do shiny. I'm not sure just yet, but I'm thinking a full hand of matte, and they will be by Tracy's Nails Matte, the Two Guys Shop Supreme Gloss. If I use that, ever use that. There you go. Everybody just sitting there looking. Nobody going to get it. You stopped me at the magnet. They're not gonna count it. Why? She came up by herself. She did. Ooh. Yeah, but so she came up by herself. They was talking too long. Oh. Okay. Took off her own gear.
Got the
caves are so, I don't know why people go into caves. Let me just say that. Like underwater caves, above water caves, any caves, stay out of them.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me.
Girl, I was thinking the same thing back here. Don't even worry, I'm right there with you.
I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season. Lay foundation. Make a name for generations, please, and make a and take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave only.
I'm gonna try to get this color on my toes. And if he's a professor at Georgetown, they don't make enough ducats for that address.